Hey everyone, and welcome back. Happy New Year. If you're hearing something in the background, I have my fan on. But yes, I'm back and the new year, and just took a little slight hiatus, a little break because of the holidays and everything. Lots going on here lately. So I wanted to come back and show you how I achieved this crazy Valentine inspired look. So I will just go over what I used today for I'll start with the eyes. I used mostly Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 Morphe palette for this look. So let me see if I can figure out all the colors. So I used I'm In It, this iridescent right under the brow. And to blend in the brow, I used Lolly Mama, this one. And for the crease, I used Stay True, this one in the corner. And I used that like outer corner and the crease area. I also used Crazy in the crease area and the outer corner. And then in the inner corner, I used this black in Temptress. So I used that in the inner corner, and then I kind of used a purple to blend out that, and that was Not My Journey. And then on the lid, so I cut the crease first with Dionysus, the fluid eye paint from About Face. I also, by the way, while I have it in my hand, I also used it on my lips too. So I cut the crease with that, and then in the middle of the lid, I used Tipsy Girl, the fluorescent pink in the palette. And on the inner corners, I used this pretty color from Rose, what is it? Pastel Roses UK. And it's called Pink Lemonade. And it's this pretty iridescent pink to gold to like a hot pink almost. So it went well, it blended in well with that hot pink in the middle. Get a little closer so you can see the iridescence of it. So this is a real pretty color. Of course, the video's not doing it justice at all. It's so gorgeous in person. So for the lower lash line, in the waterline, I used this ColourPop liner in Calabasas. It's like a frosty pink, but it kind of looks white in my waterline. And then for the underneath that, I use this Stila eyeliner in deep burgundy. And for the lashes, I also used an About Face product. These are Volume Up Discotheque Faux Embellished Lashes. Comes in this kind of package here. And I had got this at Ulta a few months ago, and didn't get a chance to wear them until now. So I thought they were real pretty, and they actually go with the lid. So I thought those were cute, and they went perfect with the look. And so for the face, I am using, and I don't know if I had introduced this in a previous video, but I'm trying these skin tints from Anastasia Beverly Hills. That's the packaging it comes in. I actually found out about these on TikTok, of course. And by the way, TikTok tutorial for this look will be linked below. But I got colors in 14 and 15. And let me see. This one is 15. And this is 14. Because I didn't know which to go with. Roll it up a little bit so you can see them. So this is 14. This is 15. And you can see a slight, well, you can see a difference in the colors. You can see that the 14 is lighter. So both of them I could do, but what I do is I use the 14 like in the middle, under eye and forehead and down the nose, and then I use the 15 for the rest of the face. So, oh, and by the way, I primed with, it's in the bathroom, the, let me see if I still have the box in here. I don't. One sec. So I primed with the Hangover 3-in-1, Hangover RX 3-in-1 by Too Faced, and it's a spray that you can use for you can use it for priming, setting, and refreshing. So I just I just sprayed it on my face to prime with it. That'll save me from using my other primers I use, like NARS. This is my staple right here. The NARS Pore and Shine Control Primer. Yeah, that's my staple there. I use that like when I'm really going to be out for a while. Also a good one is the e.l.f. Power Grip. But yeah, so I use that, and then I use the skin tint. It's very light. I like it. And for blush, I'm using a blush from my blush palette. This color is in Rose Chiffon. That one there. And for my highlight, I'm using Becca's Blush Copper. And then for the lips, I'm using something I just recently got from another lipstick from MAC in Violet Vapor. So I actually went on the perimeter of the lips with Violet Vapor. And then I filled it in with the Dionysus. For the pretty shimmery cute earrings, I got these and my sweater from Torrid. So I plan on doing another Valentine inspired look. It's probably gonna be a similar style because I'm digging the cut crease. So I might do similar, but just with different colors next time. So I have a couple more Valentine looks I have in store coming up. But I hope you like this look. I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own. And thanks for watching and stopping by. Bye.